Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, the Euro Yen to me is very, very clearly on the monthly a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. And you can even make out the subdivisions of this wave 3, like 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3. Eventually, it definitely is going to have to end a wave 3, make a pretty good sized correction for a wave 4, and then go back up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we had a big push down on all the yen pairs like last week because of the Bank of Japan intervention that they did at the CPI US dollar news. But even though it was a big move down, we have no break of structure, no lower high. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, but that's really the only thing it has going for it. For me, the trend is definitely still up on these much higher time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, big impulsive move to the downside. But like I said, there's really no confirmation that it's going down. I still think this move right here could possibly be a correction to the uptrend. I still think this could be like a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and then there's like a wave 1 and a wave 2 back here. So definitely keep an eye. I think there's a good chance it may actually push up one more time. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm actually looking at this right here as possibly like in a big expanding flat. 3 waves down for a wave A, expanding flat. 3 waves up for a wave B, expanding flat. And then 5 waves down for a wave C. If that is true, then we are going to bounce out this 50%. We will go up. We will break structure, which will prove this is the end of a 335 pattern, which a 335 pattern is an expanding or a running flat ABC correction. So if it does break the structure in a big way, to me, it definitely proves that it's going to go back up, probably at least to the 179, 175.9, 176 area. I think it's likely a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely kind of looks to be like a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So if this does go up and stop breaking structure, especially if it breaks the wave 4 high structure, then that to me is going to prove to me that it pretty much is a wave C and that we are pretty much back into the uptrend. So as of right now, I am definitely looking for shorts, but if we stop breaking structure like I've shown on this picture right here, then I will definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. This is at least the second time this year that the Bank of Japan has tried to push their currency down or push their currency up, pushing the yen pairs down, and they have not been able to do it yet. And I'm not really convinced that they have done it this time either. So definitely keep an eye on it. Wait for breaks of structure. Definitely look for shorts, but if it breaks structure, stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.